Hi, this is Pam from Hooked on Sewing. I'd like to show you a few affordable sewing machines that you can find that are beginner friendly for under $200. The Singer M1150, the Brother SM1704, the Brother XM2701, the Baby Lock Zest, the Janome Mod 15, and the Singer Heavy Duty 4411 sewing machine. These are just an example of some of the sewing machines that you can find for under $200 that are beginner friendly, super affordable, and will get you started on your sewing journey. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, be sure to like it, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and please come visit me over on the Hooked on Sewing blog.